Welcome back. Hey, hope you liked that last that last motorhome that we went to see, that Damon Sport. Hey, that was great, wasn't it? So that's on the list for the running, believe it or not. Maybe, just kidding. So we got another call from an RV dealer, and it was for a 2007 Aurora Coachman. The name's a little vague. We were going to go check it out. There was a couple things we noticed. I'm going to show you this picture. And now, do you see the little flaw? Like, you could tell when an RV has been kind of used and abused and it looks ugly. And that's one of the things that we kind of look for, wear and tear. So this one might have been abused. There was 61, no, this one, I don't remember the mileage, but it was higher. It was a decent amount of mileage, but it was an '07, so we expected a little bit, which means maybe the brakes are good on it, the brake cables, the gas cables, and all that stuff. But then I started examining the pictures further, and I noticed this. Yeah, that's a big old frickin' residential refrigerator. And last but not least, now the rest of it looked okay. The outside does, everything else looked really good. It had the Chevy workhorse that we're really looking for. And then I saw something so ridiculous. It was this. Dumb. This person either worked at IKEA and got a good deal on a full-size queen bed, but in RVs, queen beds, oh, that's Coco. He's having a good time. He's neighborhood patrol down here while we're driveway surfing. So, it looked like shit, didn't it? Now the outside, right here, looks really good. But the unit is one of those generic units, sort of like a Damon Sport was, and so I didn't waste my time going down to Tampa to check that out. Not that that's that far from us. So you always want to make sure you're getting what you want. Don't waste a trip if you can cancel it off by pictures alone. Pictures alone sometimes tell you that it's okay to go look at something if it's clean or not, and it might not be okay. Fortunately, these pictures said it might not be okay to waste your time. So always be careful. So it had the workhorse chassis, had the length, had the slides, but everything else in it was used, abused, too big, and they gave me a spin on this residential fridge saying it canceled out propane, and it did this and it did that. I don't care. Do you know how much gas mileage these things already get? Well, between 7 and 10. 10's pushing my luck. You run a generator because the residential fridge went down below a certain degree and it kicked your generator on, you've just lowered your gas mileage per hour, your mile per hour with gas mileage by at least 2 gallons, 1 to 2 gallons running a generator. And that's just a guess. So we opted to put this on the back burner just in case, and we're going to continue our search. So thanks for checking it out. Thanks for coming along on our journey. And we're houseless and we're full-time RVing, and I want you to keep coming back because the next one, you just never know what we run across. So come on back. Thanks so much. Subscribe below, hit the alert button, and be alerted when I upload a new video. Hey, love you all.